Guys, look at this beast I just caught right now. Look at this guy. Oh my God. Guys, I think this is bigger than the one I caught before. Oh, I hooked him. I got him good. I snagged him with the Rapala rattling bait right underneath the gill. Oh shit, I don't think, yeah, he's not going anywhere. He's not going anywhere. Guys, yo, look at this. Look at this beast. Look at this guy. Oh my God. Oh my God. He tried to bite this bait here, and I snagged him good. Snagged this motherfucker. Oh, I dropped it. I dropped you. It's all good. Look at this guy. Look at him. Woo! 5.6. 5.6, bitches. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.